So last night, I went to a Bulgarian disco. Here I thought Americans knew how to party. Oh boy, was I wrong. I was very wrong. I had to get transported by a wheelchair by the end of the night. These Bulgarians dance till their legs fall off, and they drink until they pass out. They tell me take a shot. I take one. They say oshiyedin. I take another. They had me oshiyedining all night, and this time I was actually oshiyedining all night. And I don't know how I'm alive right now. I feel like complete shit, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life today. I'm probably gonna sleep all day, wake up on Monday. How do these people do this? I need to sleep for like 3 days to recover from last night. I know 100% I'm gonna wake up with a hangover. So, let's take a shot, guys. Let's take a shot. Na zdravej.